But you still haven't told me. What's your insistence on this marriage? There are so many maidens in Umago. Why must it be the Igwe's daughter? Okay. You have asked me a good question, and I will give you a good answer now. How many children does Igwe have? One. Akugo, of course. Akugo! That's the issue. That's the issue.
I haven't got you. I don't get you. If you marry Akugo, you have brought yourself into royalty. The entire compound, even generations unborn, you have packaged them into royalty.
You have become a noble. You are a man who knows how to get it. Oh, you are a man that knows how to get it.
I even hear that the entire Omuago is chanting my name. Children are praising, women are coining songs of honor, saying Amadi is the man of the moment. Amadi is the man of the moment. Amadi is the man.
Amadi. Hey, what is happening? The whole street of Umago are on fire. They are burning with fire.
Yes. In fact, I have never seen a thing like this before.
Yes.
Hey. See money. Plenty money. What are you talking about? Jonah. J-boy. Call him J-boy.
Your son is driving around the whole street, spraying Nigerian and Uibo money. Dollars. Plenty. We saw money like a Sunday. Amadi.
In fact, your family is indeed a wonder to Umago. Okay. Just wait. Let me ask you. Can a lion give birth to a lamb?
No. I didn't hear you. No.
Does a lion give birth to a lamb? No.
Come and see America wonder. Come and see America wonder. In America wonder. In Dollar, America wonder. Colorado, America wonder. In Georgia, America wonder. Michigan, America wonder. Baltimore, America wonder. Come and see America wonder. Come and see America wonder. Oh, come and see America wonder. Come and see America wonder. Yeah. America wonder. Georgia, America wonder. Michigan, America wonder. America wonder. La. America wonder. Colorado, in Georgia, Michigan.
Yo, what's up, nigga? You Umago. You're welcome to my crib, you're welcome, man. Y'all are doing good, girl. Y'all are welcome once again, you know what I mean? Well, I called you here to intimate you, I called you as the main guys in this village to intimate you what's gonna go down pretty soon in this video. Yeah, for real. There's a big carnival coming on, and in case y'all haven't heard, me, myself, and I'm getting hooked, yeah.
Which one is hooked now?
Yeah, for real. Hooked simply means I'm getting married, yo.
It is marriage. Actually, we've heard rumors.
That's right.
But we don't know who the lucky girl is. What is she from? America?
Nah. She's nothing short of a queen, nothing short of a shorty, nothing short of a boo, yo. You know how it is.
Boo.
Yeah.
Is that her name?
No. Boo ain't her name. Just look at you, you're in your Ford, man, nigga. You ain't been nowhere. I mean, these are the more reason why I'm here to take you all over to United States. What boo simply means, shorty. Boo simply means a girl.
Okay. Girl. So, who is this lucky boo?
Yeah, the lucky boo. I like that question you just threw on right now. The lucky boo happens to be, she's close to royalty, man, here. She's the Igwe's daughter.
Apugo.
You're right. That's why I want you all to back me up. I'm planning a mega bash wedding for I am my queen, my crown queen, you know what I mean? I'm planning a mega bash wedding, so I want you all to back me up for real. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Just check it out. Go tell anybody who cares to listen that J-Boy, son of Amadi, and that Paugal, the Egwes daughter, 2006. For real. Well, you see, this calls for celebration. This calls for what?
Celebration.
Now, listen to me. I want you all to scream my name now as I'm talking. Say J, 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 J. Say my name.
J, J, J,
J,
J, J.
Come on, yo.
J,
say my name.
J, J,
J, nigga. J. Now say my name.
J, J, J.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, when I say J, you say boy, say J. Boy, say J. Boy. When I say J, you say boy, say J. Boy, say J. Boy. When I say J, you say boy, say J. Boy, say J. Boy. You know what? I got a lot of goodies for you. I got a lot of gifts for you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get you all drowned up, you know what I mean? Just wait on, you know what I'm saying? I got Hennessy, I got Moet, I got Bacardi, I got Remy Man, I got a whole lot of for you guys, you know what I'm saying? I thank you all for coming. Just wait for me. One love. Holla, I'll be with you.
I will take my 7 bottles.
How dare you allow my daughter to fall into such senseless flirtation with that village near her house?
I tried to.
Tried what? You conceived such abominable acts under the foot of your rapper and pamper her into irresponsibility?
Igwe, Apugo is not a child.
Apugo is my daughter. I can bend her to my will if need be.
I've tried all I can. But I've seen that she really loves me.
Enough, woman! I forbid you to think of my daughter in such manner. Ah! The entire people of Umuagu admire the nobility that surrounds my house. I am not about to throw that which belongs to the kings to the dogs.
Maybe you should talk to your daughter.
Regardless,
I don't think even the quaking of the earth will make her change her mind.
do not test my patience, woman. Get her to me at once. Let's to where?
I'll send the messengers after her.
I greet you all. I got you, I have something in my hand.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. The first time I hosted it was to intimate you about my son's arrival from the land of wonders.
Yes, we remember.
But this time around, it is to seek your favor for a special purpose.
Amadi, you know we cannot refuse you anything.
God.
It is said that what the eyes have seen can never be doubted again.
Yes.
From all these things presented to us,
Yes.
we know that you are a man who goes about what he wants.
Yes.
And indeed, you deserve to get what you want.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My son has indicated his interest to pick a wife, and he has made his choice.
Yeah.
Here in our town, Umuagu, we share wine as cola.
We know.
But up there in America, cola is shared in envelopes like this. America wonder.
Cola in envelope.
America wonder. America wonder. This is nothing compared to what will come ahead. So don't make so much noise. Please. My son has stated his intention to marry Akwaogo, Igwe's daughter. I seek your support.
Amadi, it is done. It is done as far as you have said it.
They are already married. All we need to do is to get ready for the Amugo.
Very good. Okay. My son plans a wedding that will be second to none in Umuago. Second to none. It will be a carnival. A carnival for 3 days. 3 days of merriment. 3 days of backslapping, 3 days of overflow of joy, and 3 days of America wonder. Thank you.
Hey.
Myself, the elders of Umago, I reiterate our support and position.
Yes.
Your son, Jonah,
J-boy,
is already married to the Igwe's daughter.
They are already married. Oh yeah.
Let me hold my phone.
Elders, my fellow elders.
Point of observation. It is one thing to want a bride, but one question we have to ask ourselves is, how available is the bride?
Thank you.
How do you mean?
I don't think Akugo is free. Is vacant to. Akugo is not vacant to.
Anne, what exactly do you mean?
Amadi, there is this village layabout who always flaunts himself around the princess every time. Yes, so that one day I caught 2 of them locked in a wicked.
Annie. Don't spoil our enjoyment here. You have come again.
I'm telling you the truth now. What did I do?
That's all right. That's all right.
What did I do?
Do you know the interesting thing about this information? The boy being described is just a village layabout.
Yes.
A nincompoop. A never-do-well. In fact, you can call him an empty whistle.
Yes. I know him.
In this year, would you support a never-do-well to marry Akugo? No. Would you support a never-do-well to challenge my son, J-boy? No. It is my intention that my son will marry Akugo. And with your support, nothing will stop this. I repeat, nothing will stop this unity. Enjoy yourself. America wonder. America wonder. Let's
See money. If you see money, if you see money, Salas, am I not talking to you?
Now, Wogan, listen to me. If you know the way through which you came, you go back through it.
Salas, I found the mountain now.
Idigo, listen. Idigo, if you came to visit me, I'll give you a seat. But if you came to crack those your useless riddles, that is the way out of my compound. See money. See I've not seen money before. You know how much I used to buy this? You know how much the talent to blow this is? Do you know how much Akugo is?
Salas.
See money.
Akugo, your supposed bride, is getting married next month, and you're here.
Idigo, listen. If this is a joke, I don't find it funny. I don't find it funny.
She's getting married to J-Boy, the American bobo. You're here, you have money. As a friend, I just came to let you know before you get to hear the news from someone else. You have money. You have money.
You can't go now. You can't just go like that now. You know how long Akugo and I have been together. You cannot let that small boy just come from America and take her away now. We cannot let that be now. You know how what Akugo means to me. Come now, let's put our heads together and put things together.
Okay, we'll put our heads together, but I have an appointment right now.
Idigo, appointment. Idigo is me, Silo.
I know it's you now, Silo. Silo, hey. I will come back. You will not listen to that. I said you gain a son.
It's alright. It's not the end of the world that I should cry. Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying. Today is supposed to be one of your happiest days. Huh? Come and see what he brought for you.
Mama, leave me alone. My heart is not for sale.
Akugo, it's of no use fighting what you cannot change. The village is filled with singing and dancing. There's a royal fanfare all over Omuago. Yet it's just formal introduction.
So you can imagine the carnival that will grace your marriage to J-Boy.
Ngozi, you can marry him if you so please. Did you hear me?
Sorry, my princess.
The rumbling from hungry villagers, the chanting from jobless youths, all the naira notes he spreads around the parts of Umago, all cannot compare to the sweet melody that comes up from the lips of the one I love.
Shut up your mouth! Shut your mouth! Look, your father has already made up his mind on Jonah. So, do what is right though. Listen to your mother, Akugo. Listen to your mother. Besides, The entire village already see him as your husband.
And don't forget, my princess, your royal birth forbids anything short of that which your father wants for you.
Just like Gakubu, you must make a hard choice that will change the course of your destiny forever. Eh?
No, Mama. No.
You have no choice.
Some time ago,
for real, nigga.
And confided in me that he came down to Umwago solely for one purpose.
That's my pork, you're right on, nigga.
And that's to look for a wife. And I thought it wise that I should leave whatever I was doing and muster all my energies to help him get a wife. The woman we're talking about would not just be any woman. No! She won't be just a princess, but also a queen. Not just a splendor, but also an angel. Not just a bundle of attraction, but also a quintessence of beauty. We are therefore assembled here with all our energies, all our minds, all our bodies to accomplish this task. In fact, to fish out this queen and package her for onward transmission to America. Have I spoken well?
Okay. Thank you very much. And you everybody, 2 fingers in the air.
You are all welcome.
That's right, I feel you right on, nigga.
I must say that I am indeed very happy that I've made the right choice for my daughter.
You know how it is, yo. You know how
it is not every day that one meets a successful young man like Amadi's son.
For real, man. Dad, I told you I'm going to take this shit to America. I'll take you to America.
You will shit. I'm getting up when you pack. I should not shit. And I must say that the gods themselves have rightly destined this.
Yes.
That's what it is. You have rightly called her a queen. And that is exactly what she is.
That's right.
What's up, bro? What's keeping my queen, my shorty, my boo? Can't wait to see my boo, yo. Let me believe you. What is holding this baby? Where is this woman? They would like to wear all the beads in the world. What is all this? Ugadia! Bring the princess here! No, Pano! Yeah! Pano! Yeah! Pano! Yeah! Pano! Yeah! Oh, Gaga! Mama got it. Hold on, man. Got something for you. Just make do with this shit. No. I'm on a panel.
My daughter, please, save me this disgrace. Just walk in there with a smile on your face. In a few minutes, it will all be over. Please. Sometimes, my princess, love is not just enough. Please. Do this. Please. Please, my daughter, please. Please.
All right. Let me go and meet my husband.
Thank you. May my God bless you. God bless you. At last she's getting my answer,
J-Boy deserves her, not sad.
Well, after all your hard work, he deserves to be happy.
What's that supposed to mean?
Don't start. Let's go.
Akugo, pride of Umago, beauty of my loins. Today, a man seeks your hand in marriage.
That's right,
Turn to the faces of all these people. Before their eyes, accept his hand as their husband to be.
What use is life if one cannot decide her destiny, Papa?
Life is full of choices. Some you make by yourself, and some others made for you.
Yeah, that's philosophical, yo. I feel you. Well, right on, nigga. Right on, dog.
Akugo.
Yes, Papa.
Kneel before this man here as your husband to be.
Get down on the floor. Get down, baby.
The whole of Umago, as well as our ancestors, are waiting to witness this great occasion. Please, my daughter, do that.
You have made your choice for me, Papa.
Yes.
And I cannot refuse.
Thank you. Oh, my daughter.
And so you will not refuse mine, Papa.
No.
Papa, I cannot marry this man. He is not my husband. Akugo marama bia gbara nego. Akugo marama bia gbara nego. Migalu ma kwa mo gbara nego. Migalu ma kwa mo gbara nego akwa marama.
Yo, Dad, I can't take this shit anymore. Who's this bully ass nigga, man?
Already you know ma guje buruma. Wanani yemere ma guje wera miwe. Odiri hama kwa mo gbara nego. Iwane we ha kwa mo gbara nego oyimo.
That's whatever they call you. A money is not a man to be toyed with.
That's why I'm right behind you.
Get out from here before I bang my spin on you. Get out.
did that become a crime?
You are here keeping one woman who burns with rage. My mouth cannot say what our eyes have seen today.
What are you talking about?
Mama, where is he?
Who?
Mama, where is Silas?
Has Silas done anything? What is that?
Mama, he has committed an abomination. Mama, Silas has spat on the eagle's face.
Silas, or is still not that Silas? How many people told that? Told me what?
Mama, I tried to stop him, but he wouldn't listen. I tried.
Can someone tell me what is happening here, please? Huh? What has he done? Ned! Where is your son? My son?
Yes, Silas.
What has my son done? Has he done anything?
Your son, Silas, has murdered sleep, and he shall sleep no more.
I reject it. My son is harmless.
Your son, Silas, has challenged the spirit to a dance of death. Mama, I know you have to find him, Mama.
You know where to find him? Hey, get it. Silas, you problem. Hey, that's what I'm trying to do. Hey, Timo.
I put my mess and have to talk of me. Before my book.
Please, Johannes, calm down. She's not
Be quiet! What is there to be calm about?
Hey.
Eh? Igana! Anya come all the part of Umago. You don't know the rivers and streams of Amara. Find her and bring her to me at once. Eh?
Erica will only drive her away from us and our home. Do not put away what is doing to
Go and look for her immediately. Go and look for her immediately. Die!
Taking this shit no more. What sort of bullshit is that? What sort of bullshit? Look here. Just look at the humiliation. Look at the disgrace.
Our money has never been so disgraced.
Your pop?
No, Jonah, for once I disagree with you. There's no time for you now. Don't you anything, please.
What's going on here, Dad? My bride stood me up. She walked out of me, Dad. Nobody ever walks out of G. Nobody walks on me, Dad. I mean, those two. Oh, damn.
So, and he was right? A village lay about posing a threat to me? Our poor go preferring a village lay about to my son? It's an insult to me and my family. And our mother will never take this insult.
Now listen to me, Paul. Who was that nigga that interrupted that ceremony? Who was he?
Jonah, leave that.
No, I ain't leaving it up to you. I ain't leaving it to you. That's my bride, remember that? That's my bride for real. Even though it looks like she doesn't want me no more, she's still my bride, yo.
See, she will want you. I will make her to want you.
For real?
Yes!
So how you gonna do that, Pop?
America Wonder. Jonah, you have been there in America, but I will show you America Wonder.
What you mean American Wonder, Dad?
America Wonder?
American Wonder?
Nobody has ever toyed with our mother. Mark my words. I will make Akwago to marry you.
For real?
Yes.
For real, Dad?
I promise, yes.
Dad, I'm believing in you. You understand me? For real, I just look at all this old power shield because of this girl. Look at just all damn, I don't like all this. Just look at me, Dad. Just look at me. I look like a masquerade with all this shit. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. Looks like I want to go back to the United States, man. I'm tired of this old scene, yo. What's going on? Dad, I ain't taking it easy. I gotta do all this shit, man. I've never been humiliated like this in my life. Just look at me. Just look at I'm nobody. It looks like I'm nobody. Listen to me, Dad. You promised to help me. Do you want to go to the United States? You want to go to Michigan? Remember, I promised to help you out. I promised to take you over there. If you know you want to go there, Dad, help me. Help me. I'm tired. I'm tired. I want to leave. I'm tired, Dad. What's all this shit for? What's all this disgrace?
Nobody toys with their mother and goes free. They want to ruin my chances of visiting Papa Carter, Papa Jefferson, Papa Bush, Papa 50 Cent, and even Papa Don 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 Don.
My princess, how did you find me?
You knew you'd be here.
My princess, you have to come with us at once. Your father is...
I don't care! If he likes, let him die! All I want to do is to be in the arms of the one I love. Silas, please. Talk to her. She has to come with us at once. My princess, battles of the heart are not fought like this.
My love.
Please, don't let the words worry you. I'd rather die with you.
Akugo, it's only wise for you to go home now. We will think out ways to convince your father.
Are you also turning your back on me?
May the gods forbid, my love. Akugo, if we must marry, we need the consent of our parents. Please, my love. Please.
Why do you seek to add more sorrows to that already pierces my heart?
Mama, what have I done again?
Is it an impossible thing to ask? A mother to require her only child to let her die a peaceful death?
Mama, don't talk about death. What has it got to do?
What do you want me to talk about? About love? Is it not the foolishness of love that is driving you into this madness?
Which one is madness again, Mama?
My son, the path that you are traveling is full of thorns and valleys. Many have fallen on the wayside.
Mama, true but false. Mama, listen. Thorns pierce our feet. Valleys make us stagger. Yet, Mama, the thought of love itself makes our heart to soar above every pain and obstacle, eh? Mama!
You're a fool, Silas. Silas, you are a passion-driven fool.
No problem, Mama.
But I want you to give me your ears to what I'm going to tell you this morning. What an elder sees sitting down, you, a young man, will not see it. Even if you climb the tallest of all trees. Leave Akugo alone. Leave Akugo alone, I said.
Mama, if you don't have anything else to say, see, just sit down and make yourself happy. Don't mention this Akugo. Oh no. By the way, have you cooked? I'm hungry. I want to eat rice. It's not that kind of rice you cooked the other day. That is half done. Mama, I want to eat agwaragwa rice. I'm going inside my room to rest. By the time I come out, let the food be ready.
It will be ready. Come and eat me. I will cook for you.
Mama, leave that thing, you know. Is it because of this morning I'm coming to eat? So don't tell me.
Yeah. Come and eat me. You don't want to cook. Mama will cook for you. Mama will do everything for you.
by money, power, and influence. I have made my choice for you. Unless you want me to spit out of my mouth and forbid my eyes from seeing you forever.
Abugo, leave that alone. Leave that alone.
Mama, never.
Hey. It is wise to be in love, but wiser to obey your parents' choice of a life partner for you. I know how hard it is for you, but Ngozi, Uloma, say something now. You're looking at me.
My queen, I don't know what to say, but to pray that the will of the gods be done.
Apugo, your father is embittered that you mocked him before the entire village.
My princess, obey your fathers and you'll be happy you made the right choice.
Which is?
Marry J-Boy and escape the nightmare of a life of penury.
Oh! Apugo! Apugo! What is wrong with this guy? Apugo!
Amerima, ije love vuela mo. Amerima, rindo. Amerima, salasi bundu mo. Amerima, rindo. Amerima, eba huneru. Amerima, rindo. Amerima.
Well, good morning.
Chimna, so good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Auntie Akuga asked me to give this to you.
For me?
Yeah.
Why did you see her this early morning?
I met her at the junction leading to the stream.
Thank you so much. Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Akugo. Hey, you're using me to play hide and seek. You think I don't know where you are?
Okay. Akugo. Yeah. Ha. Akugo. Where is he now? Akugo. Akugo. Silas couldn't listen to me. Oh, Silas, it's over. Silas, it's over. It's over, Silas. Silas, I told you. It's okay. Silas, I told you. I didn't listen to me. What have I done? It's okay. Hey, God Almighty. You are the God of the widows, the Father of the orphans. Any man, that has a hand in the killing of my son, that man would not know peace.
Mama, don't swear, Dawe. Mama, don't swear. Mama, leave it for God, Dawe. Mama, God is not asleep. God knows why He allowed this thing to happen.
God of vengeance, you said I should not avenge you. You are the one that made for me.
Mama, don't leave now. Mama, leave vengeance for God.
I'm not going to see me through.
Mama, leave vengeance for God.
Don't forgive my son. Their body is going to be food for the vultures. God of the widows, now fight for me.
Silas is dead.
Oh my God. Hey! My only source of joy, my only source of happiness, the only eyes that I used to see. Hey, God, where are you? God, where are you? Hey, Chihuahua, what will I do again? How will I survive it? She's been this house. Why? Oh, she hasn't left the palace today. Why are you asking me all these questions? Oh my God. What is happening now? Silas. Hey, what happened to him? What happened to Silas? Silas is what? Silas is dead. Is it you or your spirit?
I see I'm alive.
You are alive? Hey! People of Umagu, come and rejoice with me, oh, my son is alive, oh! Hey!
Mama, the world is wicked.
Who did this to you, my son? Who did this?
The world is wicked.
I know.
Mama, The ones filled with wickedness and betrayal.
I know, my son.
Trust is no longer a word in their lives.
Hey! Our God has defeated our enemies. My God has brought you back to me alive. Tell me, how does it happen?
I can't say. I don't know. I saw Idigo.
Chineke. Idigo that came here with me.
Oh, yes.
He was crying and weeping here with me.
Mama, they say me Idigo.
My son. Let's get inside. Hey, my God. People of Umagu, come and rejoice with me. My son is alive, oh! He has come back to me alive, oh! Hey! Mama, have you heard? Heard what? It is no more news that my son is alive. He has come back to life. That's not what I mean. What do you mean? Uncle, the princess is dead. Come. Yes. Come on, listen. What did he say? What did he say? The princess is dead. Wait. Come on. Son has come. Come, let's get this. Don't mind her. I'm coming! Come back here! This girl! You came here purposely to take away my happiness, not to punish you! Idiot! Just imagine me!
He said you were dead. He said you were dead too. No, my love. I am not dead. I know your spirit will hear the melodies of my heart.